Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwala. Today we will be talking about the Rashi and the Nakshatra Sangata Chakra, which are most important, for finding out whether there would be war or not. Now, I've written two articles. The first article was written on the 23rd of September 2020 for the lunation chart of the 12th February 2021. It showed that there was affliction to the sign Cancer, and there are 6 planets in the sign Capricorn, and there is Veda as far as the Sanghata Chakras are concerned. There is Veda of Mars and Saturn also. So let me tell you the most crucial dates are the 12th of February, 23rd of February, 4th of March, and then when Mars and Saturn are having Veda in the Rashi Sanghata Chakra, in the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, and Mars will be aspecting Saturn degree wise at 19 degrees, and these 18 and 19 degrees are the degrees in the sign Capricorn where the planetary war and conjunction of Venus and Jupiter took place, which as per Mur Chitram is bloodshed. Now, the Rashi and Sanghata Chakra, they clearly, to find out whether there will be war or warlike conditions, it is very essential to see when Mars and Saturn Veda is there. So, Mars and Saturn Veda will be there from 25th April to 17th May, and 16th May there will be degree aspect of Mars on Saturn, and there will also be Veda in the Rashi Sanghata Chakra and in the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra. So 16th May becomes most important date as far as the war and warlike conditions are concerned. I will read out the parameters which are most important apart from this. How I have come to this, first of all, there should be the basic parameters should be pointing out that there is warlike conditions, and when there are warlike conditions, then we have to see in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra if there is Veda. So let me read out Mars and Uranus degree conjunction between 20th and 22nd of January. Then Mars activates the eclipse point of the 29 degrees of Scorpio of the solar eclipse of the 14th December on the 18th February 2021. Then planetary war between Jupiter and Saturn 6 degrees will be activated on the 23rd April. So all these dates are coinciding, 23rd of April. Mars aspects Ketu by 8th strong aspect on the 10th February 2021. Mars conjunct with Rahu in Taurus on 27th March 2021, and Rahu in the star of Rohini. Mars aspect Saturn in Capricorn at 19 degrees from the 15th May to 17th May by 8th strong aspect. Mars in Cancer at 18 degrees aspects retrograde Saturn at 18 degrees in Capricorn on the 1st July 2021. Taurus Scorpio axis afflicted. Now, apart from this, we have to see Rahu also, and Rahu and Ketu form Aroha Kalsarp Yoga from the 11th January to 28th March. Rahu in Rohini Nakshatra on the 13th February. Ketu in Just Star from 19th September to 10th May 2021. And then you see all these planetary positions all put together. And as per the book of Mundane Astrology by Vani Publications and Guide, Mr. K. N. Rao, he clearly points out that if we have to see war, then the Veda must be there between Mars and Saturn. And this Veda between Mars and Saturn from the 25th April to 17th May is most crucial. There may be brick batting before, but the most brick batting may start somewhere, any time, since after the 11th of January, all the planets are gripped by Rahu and Ketu. So we can say that the brick betting can start anytime, and all as already the media has already pointed out that China is making a village, and we all know about it. So at the borders, he's making a village at the borders. So he's already intruded, and this intrusion may get converted into brick batting, and then it may be warlike conditions between the 25th April 2021 to 17th May 2021. Then at that point of time, Rahu will be in Ardhara Nakshatra, and Saturn will be in Shravana Nakshatra. So friends, this is all I just wanted to say, that and the 16th of May 2021 will be the most crucial date. The degree-wise aspect of Mars is very important, and Mars is a planet of ammunition dump, and it activates the points. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, and thank you for listening to me, and have a good day. Bye bye.